How to use double tab washing machine. I will show here how to use a double tab washing machine so that we can learn how to use it. Things to do. First, we will show the timer of the washing machine. Second, I will show the dryer and the one that spins and cleans clothes in the washing machine. Third, first check if the washing machine is on normally because sometimes we can't avoid that when we finish using it, we leave it red. So we need to check it so that when we put water in it, the water doesn't leak. After doing those three things, let's put water that is just moderate or just right for the clothes. But before putting it, make sure the washing machine is clean first. After adding water, plug in the washing machine properly to avoid accident. After plugging in, add soap depending on the amount of laundry you are going to wash. And spin the washing machine for 3 minutes to dissolve the soap. After melting the soap, put the white clothes separated from the colored clothes. After putting it, spin it for 6 to 9 minutes or depending on how dirty your clothes are. After washing and rinsing the clothes, put them in the dryer and spin. Make sure that the clothes are placed evenly so that they spin evenly and the dryer will not be damaged.